Okay, we got the bulbs in the new ones. Now, what we're gonna do, or what you do, is you see that little tab on the end, which you can't really see, but it slides in right there, and then you come over here, and it just clicks in, just like that. And that's the lower portion of it. Now, on this one, the upper, I went and put, like I said, I put the bulbs and stuff in the new housing. That way, don't have to worry about getting fingerprints on them, or touching something, or getting moisture, or anything like that. So, that being said, let's take our plugs, plug them in, like so. And then, get some stuff out of the way here. Okay, not sure what the deal was, but finally got it straightened out and got it set in there. Wasn't anything serious, but there you can see you got it all put in, and then all I got left to do is just put the holding pin back in. So after I get it all put back together, I'll check back in and show you how it looks. Okay, we got both sides put in. Now, pull the plastic off of one side already. I figured I'd leave this one to show you guys. Got the plastic pulled off. Both of them are in. And that looks 10 times better than what those did. Because those were horrendous. So, if you like the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. You know, we're still trying to get this thing going. But hopefully this is helpful to somebody. Thanks for watching and have a great day.